Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a new page in Hostinger Website Builder. Once you're inside Hostinger Website Builder, click on Pages and Navigation. Then click on Add New Page. You can select between generating a new page using AI. You can create an empty page. You can create a blog or online store page or one of these websites like an about page, contact page, services and projects. You can also create legal pages like privacy, refund or terms and conditions. Let's say we want to create, for example, a services page. Click on services and you can select one of these templates. Now, as you can see, we have a new page called services. You can edit the name in the navigation, also the page URL. After that, click on save and don't forget to update your website to see your changes live. As you can see, a new page is added to my website. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.